Hey folks, Jay Grams here from the Volo Auto Museum. We've got a true hot rod for sale here today. We're going to go around, show you the whole car. We're even going to fire it up, so make sure you wait for that. This thing's awesome, the way it sounds. It's got a big block engine and a little 32 coupe body, way more engine than it needs. No fenders. Like I say, this is a real hot rod. But yet you can cruise on the highway. I asked the guy that owned it, that built it, I said, will it cruise at 60? He said it'll cruise at 80. So I took it for a ride. Yeah, it's a great running little hot rod. Go to volocars.com to get all the specs. There'll be like 100 pictures you can browse through. But we're gonna go around the car, we're gonna open it up, tell you what I know about it, and then we're gonna fire it up. I just got this car down in southern Tennessee from the guy who built it. I love the choice of wheels, old school type wheels. Got some like street slicks in the back, all smoked glass. Original stainless style Model A tail lights. It's a power lift trunk, which I'll show you in a minute. Obviously a gas tank is in a stock location there. The interior is very classy. It's a nice rich chocolate brown, a nice diamond pattern on the door panels and seats. Got a floor shifter, and it's a 700 R4, so it's an overdrive for cruising. Nice polished tilt column. Got power windows, nice set of gauges. The motor is a 396 big block Edelbrock tunnel ram with dual quads. Got the nice finned air cleaner scoop and matching valve covers. It's got dumps with a full exhaust system. It's a tubular speedway drop front axle with disc brakes. Got the big style, old school type headlamps, the 32 grill shell. It's a power lift trunk, so I'm going to hit the button for that. It takes a minute to go up. Yeah, this whole interior is redone. The cushion in the seat feels nice. All the headliner is wrapped and nice carpet. Everything about the interior is really good looking. This here says it has a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 355 posi gear, aluminum drive shaft, QA1 coilovers in back. It's a rat's glass body on a TCI chassis. It's got dolphin gauges. The wheels are 15 by 4 in front, 15 by 10 in the back. Look at this, it's all upholstered to match the inside. Has a gel cell battery, nice bracketry, and again, it's a power lift. The upholstery work is real nice. Actually, the body is really nice now that I'm looking at it. This could be a black car because it's like glass. There's no waves. Really nice looking body. Very tidy. The frame's painted. The sill plates are polished. Just a slick looking hot rod. All right, well, we're going to start it up. So make sure you give us a couple seconds here, it'll be worth it. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up. Yeah, you won't be sneaking in late with this car. Sitting idling on its own right now, and it's not even warmed up yet. Gauges all light up real nice. It's idling at 900 RPM right now, and that'll drop a little bit more once it's warmed up. I want to mention too that I'm 6 foot tall. The seat goes back. I have plenty of room in here. Now the exhaust goes all the way out the back, but there are dumps you can unbolt right at the engine, not that you would need to. Got two big Edelbrock carbs on top of a Edelbrock high-rise. Tunnel ramps, got MSD ignition, aluminum water pump, aluminum pulleys. Looks like it has the square port, rectangular port heads. Chrome front end. Yeah, this is a cool hot rod. So there you have it. This bad boy can be yours. Give us a call at 815-385-3644 or contact sales at volocars.com. But first, go to our website. Check it out. This and a couple hundred other cars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put cool stuff like this on a few times a day now.